EDSYN presents a new twist in pickup and dispensing. The LP21 wet-dry syringe. The soft touch translucent bellow not only feels great, but you can actually twist it and compress it for different modes of operation. Pick and place is one way you can use this well-designed tool. Here we are drawing up a solution with the twisting motion. Dispensing is another way to use the LP21, delivering precise control. When you dispense a little too much, extract the excess and redispense it to another spot. You can also produce a dust cloud for airflow detection. The storage bay allows you to store items for the LP21. Store swabs and a solution in the soft bellow, and you have a cleaning kit. Store mechanical tweezers for a pickup kit. Load the SSS96 solder cartridge, and with flux in the soft bellow for a soldering kit. To order, call 818-989-2324, visit www.edsyn.com, or email sales@edsyn.com.